We need more space for the aloe vera shipment. All right, move it to warehouse 7.
Make sure the aloe crates are stacked separately. And check the quality on those coconuts before they go to the line. Attention all floor staff, remember to secure all pallets before transport. Processing line 3 is now active for aloe vera.
Check the pH levels on batch 7.
Looks good. Moving to the vats now.
Check this one, it looks a little bruised.
Yeah, I see it. Send it to reject.
Our synchronized systems ensure a steady flow of fresh ingredients directly to the cleansing stage. Using powerful jets, we gently yet thoroughly wash the fresh produce inside these rotating drums.
Here, the cleaned coconut and aloe vera enter our state-of-the-art air drying tunnels. High-speed blowers gently remove excess moisture.
Here at the facility, we ensure that the fresh coconut meets the purified aloe vera in our state-of-the-art extraction process.
Our state-of-the-art hydraulic presses ensure the purest extraction of rich coconut milk.
This advanced filtration system guarantees the highest quality coconut and aloe vera blend for our products. The secret to our smoothness lies in the careful combination of natural coconut extract and vibrant aloe vera.
Purified water, meeting the soothing essence of aloe and coconut.
Infused with the goodness of natural coconut and pure aloe vera extracts, our conditioning blend swirls to perfection, leaving your hair silky smooth.
Utilizing advanced stainless steel blades, we ensure a perfectly uniform and high-quality formula every time. The shampoo mixture is continuously circulated through our state-of-the-art stainless steel homogenizers,
Keep a close watch on the viscosity levels for the next 10 minutes.
Confirmed. Parameters are stable. Looks like we are running at optimal efficiency now.
The aloe sample is secured. We can proceed with the automated testing sequence.
Here we analyze the viscosity and pH, ensuring every batch of our coconut and aloe vera shampoo meets the highest standards.
Make sure the pressure holds steady on the input line.
Roger that, monitoring the flow rate closely.
The coconut mixture is holding steady at the required temperature. Excellent. Proceed with the quality check.
The process begins as the clear resin is fed into the injection molders, rapidly transforming into the final product. Injection cycle complete. Cooling sequence initiated.
All personnel remember to keep the production lines clear. Report any anomalies to your supervisor immediately.
Our vision inspection cameras scan every bottle for microfractures and deformities. Any defects are immediately removed. Attention all personnel. The blue shampoo line is operating at peak efficiency. Maintain synchronization and sterility standards.
Experience the perfect blend of creamy coconut and soothing aloe vera, bottled with absolute precision.
Our state-of-the-art facility guarantees precision, with every bottle filled to identical levels across the line.
The system automatically detects air bubbles, then the vacuum nozzles activate to ensure a perfect fill before capping.
Our state-of-the-art facility ensures flawless precision at every step of the bottling process.
The induction sealing process ensures a tamper-evident, hermetic seal on every bottle, providing leak-proof protection.
Synchronized movement guarantees efficiency as the bottles undergo rigorous leak testing.
With pinpoint accuracy, the automated system applies the labels at high speed, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency.
Our state-of-the-art facility ensures that every premium bottle meets the highest standards of quality.
Every bottle contains our unique blend of nourishing ingredients, clearly printed so you know exactly what you're getting.
All units confirmed for inventory tracking. Production targets remain optimized for the current cycle.
System status nominal. All barcodes cleared.
As the bottles move rapidly down the line, our automatic coating machines apply crisp manufacturing and expiry information with absolute precision. This is a quality assurance announcement. Ensure all premium gold sleeves are perfectly aligned before the heat tunnel.
Perfectly synchronized, our new system ensures every bottle is placed with precision for maximum efficiency and quality control.
Our cushioning inserts are designed for a precise fit, ensuring your products arrive safely every time.
Warning: unauthorized personnel must stay clear of the automated machinery.
Automatic weighing sequence initiated. Quantity confirmed.
Line 3, check calibration on the weight sensors. We have 3 rejects in the last minute.
System status, all green. Approved cartons proceeding to palletizing sequence. Cycle efficiency at 99%.
Pallet wrapping sequence complete. Next shipment commencing. We ensure every shipment is protected with our high-quality, durable gloss film, keeping your products secure from our warehouse to your shelves.
Aisle 3, Bay 12, confirmed placement.
Roger that. Returning to staging area.
Pallet 34B, shampoo shipment confirmed at location A5.
Order confirmed for priority shipment.
Conveyor route activated. Pallet 47B successfully retrieved. Proceeding to staging area.
Dispatch to driver 3, bring the shampoo pallets to bay 4.
Copy that, almost there.
Keep that line moving. We've got another truck waiting.
Did you check the seals on this batch?
Yes, they all passed inspection.
Our security seals ensure flawless delivery, keeping your product safe from our warehouse to your store.
Bay 4 is clear. Bring in the next pallet of shampoo.
Copy that. Moving now.
Make sure that top corner is tight. Got it. Need the long strap next.
Documents for Truck 4A are verified and ready for your departure.
All right, I'm pulling out. See you tonight.
Drive safe. We'll see you then.
The journey begins. delivering the shine across the nation.
Experience the flawless blend of nature and science. Pure coconut and soothing aloe for hair that shines.
From our production line to homes around the world, we deliver the finest in coconut and aloe vera care.
As the sun sets on a day of production, our premium coconut and aloe vera shampoos begin their journey to you.